Okay, now the question 8. Now, before we solve the question 8, I would like to thank each and every one for appreciating what I'm doing. The comments, the likes, and the views I'm getting. I'm so impressed, and I appreciate it so much. You are motivating me to do more videos for you, and I can't stop. I will do more videos for you. But I beg you, when I post a video, kindly share to people. Give me a thumb, write a comment. Anything you don't understand about it, you can also leave it in the comment section below. And also, please try to watch it to the end. Try to watch it to the end, because all these are motivating me to do more videos for you. I have more coming. I have more videos coming. So thank you very much for subscribing. If you have not, just take this 30 seconds, subscribe, and let's go. All right, thank you for subscribing. So let's go straight to it. So the question 8 of WASSCE 2021 says that a solid metal cylinder of weight 6 meters and diameter is 28 centimeters is melted and cast into smaller solid cylinders. Each of the smallest cylinders is 14 centimeters high and 0.5 centimeters in diameter. How many smaller cylinders were obtained? And we are using pi to be 22/7. Now this side we are talking about two cylinders, a big cylinder and a small cylinder. And also we were also given that the height of the cylinder is in meters, and the diameter is in centimeters. So we have to convert. We will first convert the meters to centimeters at first. So what we do is for the big cylinder, we know that the height is 6 meters, and 6 meters to centimeters will give you 600 centimeters. Good. Now we have it in centimeters. So now everything is in centimeters, because we can't work meters with centimeters at the same time. We have to convert everything. It's either we convert everything to meters or we convert everything to centimeters. Now let's look at, since we are talking about the big cylinder, let's look at the radius of the big cylinder. So that one I'll use a capital R for the big one. So the radius will be 28. That's the diameter divided by 2, and that will give us 14 centimeters. Now let's come to the smaller cylinder. Now with the smaller cylinder, the height, that is the one that it has been melted to. Okay, so the size is 4 centimeters. Now the radius, I'll use small r. I'll use small r for the radius for the smaller one, and we are given a diameter of 0.5 centimeters. So we divide it by 2, then we get 0.25 centimeters. Now we have our radius for the big cylinder and the smaller cylinder as well. So what do? Now we are finding the volume of the big cylinder, then we find the volume of the smaller cylinder. Then after that we do what we have to do. Now so let's find the volume of the big cylinder. Then here too I'll find the volume of smaller cylinder. Okay, so now for the big cylinder, we know the formula to find the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now why I'm using the big R is because of this is the big cylinder. So with the smaller cylinder too, I'll get pi r square h, meaning this r will represent the smaller cylinder, and we know our pi to be 22/7. So for the big side, we have 22/7 times the radius 14 centimeter, that's square, times 600, that is the height that we converted to the meters, we converted to centimeters. So this one will give us 369,600 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the big cylinder. Now the volume of the smaller cylinder, that's the one that they have, the one that we've done, the one that we are converting the big one to. So that one will be 22/7 times 0.25, that is the radius square, plus 14 centimeters, that's the height. Now after we are done, if we compute all this on the calculator, we are going to get 2.75 centimeter square. Now, we want to know the cylinders that were obtained. Cylinders that were obtained as far as the smaller cylinders are concerned. So we have to divide. We have to divide. So we know the volume of the smallest cylinder to be 2.75 centimeters cube. And we know that of the big one to be 600 centimeter cube. So we will divide. So small cylinders obtained. That is the one that that we got. So we divide this by this. So we are going to get 600 divided by 2.75, or in centimeter cube. Now this centimeter cube and that one will go away. Then this one too will cancel out. Then we divide this by this. So when we divide this by this, we are going to get. You can try it on your calculator. You are going to get 134,400 pieces of the smaller cylinders. So the question was asked that how many smaller cylinders were obtained. So since this is our final answer, so meaning that 134,400 cylinders were obtained. Good. So that is it for question 8. That is it for question 8.